Hi everyone, I'm here today in the Copper Quarter in Swansea, and set next to the River Tawe and its beautiful riverside walks I have this lovely 4-bed townhouse. Families, investors or first time buyers, this one could be a winner for you. Come on, let's take a look. On the ground floor we have the entrance hall, the first bedroom, a WC, a fully integrated kitchen complete with the central kitchen island with plenty of space for a dining table as well. The first floor comprises of a double bedroom and the main living room complete with a lovely Juliet balcony. And on the second floor we have a double bedroom, the family bathroom, and finally the master bedroom complete with its own ensuite. Externally we have a very low maintenance garden with access to your rear car parking space as well as your very own garage. The house is just a short walk away from Morfa retail park and the Swansea.com stadium, as well as having easy access to Swansea city centre, which is within walking distance. There's great transport links, or it's just a short drive down the road. We're also very close to the M4 corridor and the new Bay Campus for Swansea University. I'm Tom Edmonds. I'd love to come and show you around this house. My number's on the screen. Just give me a call and I can't wait to meet you.